crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today we are exploring the new 49 and Market release called Starlight Dreams. Let's get started. I have a bunch of pieces from the new Starlight Dreams collection from 49 and Market, and this is just stunning. Between the colors used, there's celestial things going on. We've got florals, all of the good stuff. I want to apologize. I have a cold, so I have a little bit of a froggy voice, and my neighbor is snow blowing, so if you hear that, that's what's going on. So I will list everything that I'm showing today in the description box. I do have affiliate links, and I think that's about it. So we can actually get started. I pre-ordered these from Cherry on Top online, and they always have a pre-order coupon, which I love. But this, they had the collection bundle, so it's got a lot of the pieces all together, so you can save a little bit of money with that. In this bundle, it has the collection pack, the laser cut elements, the rub-ons, the washi sheets, and the stickers. So I'm excited to open this up. Let's get this out of the way. Ooh, okay, all right. First up, we have the washi sheets. You can take a peek. Maybe. Oh, look at the floral in there. My goodness. Wow, okay. So these are like stickers, washi tape stickers. And they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. This floral. Ugh. You can add that to the edge of your project or to the envelope or any of that. Let's see. These are the epoxy coated stickers. And we have all the zodiac. These butterflies are so beautiful. Then with some compass rose, some stars. Just beautiful. Let's see. I got enough room on my desk for all this stuff. Anyway, here are the laser cut elements. I'll take this out so you can see what's included. I know a lot of people like to see what's on the inside of these. So here's the first sheet. These florals are so beautiful. Look at this one with the planet or the moon and the florals there. Look at this, is so precious. So we have that. Ooh, and this one, look at these wings. The pieces are starting to fall out. Oh, I have some dream catchers, some gorgeous wings, some planets, lots of good stuff. Phases of the moon. All right. Next we have the rub-ons. these are a lot of sentiments. Dream big, shine bright, sparkle more, all the places you'll go. It's time to start living your dreams. You are loved, twinkle twinkle little star. Lots of cute sentiments that match with this. Oh, look at the colors on these. Holy cow. Moon. The detail is just gorgeous, gorgeous. And we have this one. All sparkles, arrow, phases of the moon. Wow. Alright, and here is the collection pack of the paper. Let's go through this really quick. And I love on the 49 and Market, on the back side of the cover, you get an extra patterned paper on there. So this one would be amazing for scrapbook layout, but you could also cut it for a card and add a rub-on on there and one of the laser cut elements. You'd be good to go. It's a great background piece. Oh, this floral. Look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, wow, look at this with the wings. Just gorgeous. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And I love the 49 Market branding strips because you could cut this off and add it to your project too. Oh my goodness. This piece is just unbelievable. Holy cow. And the background. You have some cut apart cards here. You could stamp right on these and make little cards or use this as, you know, a focal point on the front. Ooh. That looks cool. Look at this sweet little one. Look at the clouds. They kind of look like mountains too. The florals with the wings. Neutral with the pattern on there. Some dream catchers. The florals. And a wood grain. So we have all that. And then the pieces that are not in the kit, here we have the die cut elements. I'm not going to open this because this is a lot of pieces in here. There's 89 pieces, but you can see on the back a lot of frames, sentiments, a lot of good stuff on that. Yeah, arrows, little cards. This is the 6x8 collection pack. And there's 27 sheets in here. We have a neutral on the back of this. So you get 3 of each. Ooh. So pretty. The colors on these are amazing. This one you can cut. You can stamp right on there. The wood grain on the back. This one's similar. And the florals again on this one. You can cut this in half and just stamp on there and then you have a card. I love these. Ah, oh, gosh. So gorgeous. Oh, look, you can just cut those right in half. Easy peasies. I just love this. Oh, same here too. Oh, look at this. So that's the back of the back, but look at that. It's so pretty. Alright. And then we have, to go with this, the Solids collection. Let's go through this really quick. But these will match perfectly with the pattern paper. Oh, look at that. Looks like you get 2 of each. There's that pattern again. Just like the little sheets. Look at this color. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Such a pretty blue. This would go so well with that, with this floral. Alright, so I think we have it. Alright, so we have the 6x8 collection pack, the die cut elements, and then the solids. So those were extras from the kit. I'm trying to get underneath all of it. And then in the kit, we have the collection pack, which is the pattern paper. We have the rub-ons, the laser cut elements, the stickers, and the washi tape stickers. So, and these are just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, I think that is it. And here's the map for the collection. Alright, anyway, I think we're good. If you enjoyed today, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button. It greatly helps my channel out. Come join me over on Facebook, where I post cards, videos, any crafty sales I come across. That's a good resource to you. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.